Well, this is the state of play at the moment. We've got the engine connected, the steering connected, the throttle and the gear change I need brackets to put on, but apart from that we shall fire it up and see how it starts. It's not electric, you have to pull the thing, but I'm going to have to connect up the petrol tank to the motor. Without falling in the canal. This goes on there, like that. You have to pump this thing till it's hard. Then you should just have to wrong. Maybe a little bit of choke. Leave it at. That's it. Technically, there's nothing wrong with that. It should start. Oh, that's not working. If I'm doing something wrong here. Jesus. Well, I hope it doesn't take that long every time. Well, that's what's supposed to happen, but maybe I hadn't connected the hose properly. Anyway, look at the steering. Next thing to do is just connect the cables up and then we take it out for a spin. Everything else is done. I'll show you the cables this end. So I took this bottom plate off and the two new cables went into there. I'll show you a picture of the old ones that came out. The red ones, and I use the red ones. I take these black ones to the red ones, the old ones, and pull them through from that end, using the old cables to pull the new cables through, attach them inside this, wired up the kill switch, which was 2 wires. It was just you can see the purple tape over the other end. where that purple tape is, there was a button on there just to press to kill the engine. All I did was extend the wire and put it to this button here. If I pull that off, it'll stop the engine. But I might be able to. Yeah, see? Engine stopped. Just push that back in. See if we can start it with. Should just start with one pull, shouldn't it? Really? Should start with one pull. One small one. That's how it's supposed to work. One little pull. Got me lock on. And there she is, complete. The fuel tank. Fuel tank's going to go from there. It's going to go from there. I'm going to keep it on that bracket there, look. It fits on there nice. But while it's in use, it can stay in this cabin. As long as it's strapped down, but I shall leave it outside anyway. And tidy up, put everything away. Well, as you can see, we're almost there. I've got a bit of tidying up to do. The last little bit, that's got to go back on there to do that. And tidy up in here. Do something with these holes. I've got to put some frontage on this and that side. Anyway, yeah, like I say, we're almost there now. It's a beautiful place, it's peaceful, and I love it. I love it. So, solar lights work. Very cosy.